Indicated explicitly the leadership from the South African Youth Council, our guest colleagues from UKZN and UT. Colleagues, these are our special friends. If I were to unpack to you the nature of the programs that they bring in order to assist the department in enhancing and improving learning outcomes, but team UKZN, team duty, and we are very grateful. And we owe it up to you. But in time, we will discuss certain things. But Bakonam means a lot to us. The leadership from all the unions, as mentioned, leadership of SATO, NATO, the Africans on the basis in and NATOSO. Our official departments and all government departments, including the municipalities, our teacher principal, our media, our sponsors, and our guests. Colleagues, see on the shoulders of the giants. And as I've indicated prior, having created my special mentor, that supposed to come a term, and the cabinet meeting must not be very glorious. All we need to do is to make sure that we continue to humble ourselves and push the progress for quality education for the betterment of our nation.